Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sale tag in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, first make sure that you are using your WordPress admin panel, and after that, we will be needing just to add some WooCommerce extension. So from here, I'm just going to click on extension, and basically, I'm just going to search for product badges or badges as a keyword, and then we can find many uh, extensions or plugins that will do the work. So basically, either you can have a product badges like this one that would allow you to add custom badges or product promotion badges or whatever you like. In my case, I'm just going to use the plugins, and you might use the WooCommerce marketplace if you would like to, but I'm just going to use the plugins. And simply, I'm just going to click on add new plugin, and from here, I'm just going to type the same thing, which is product badges, and simply I will need just to wait for the search result to appear, and basically we can choose anyone that you would like. So you can have the product labels for WooCommerce, which is sell badges. I'm just going to use this one. You can choose anyone. So basically this one has more than 10,000 active installation, and I'm just going to click on install. After that, we're just going to wait for it to be activated. So I'm just going to click on activate, and we are going to wait for the plugin to appear. So here we will find badges. Now you can start choosing any badges, and basically I'm just going to create a new badge, and you can name it anything. So QWE, and here you will find a QWE in the text. So this is the badge label. You can choose whatever you like, and you will have it the badge style. So either like this, sale, or whatever you like to have. And basically you will need just to click on publish, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.